Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start on the M35 with the essentials already set. Circle app installed and permissions granted. Tap the circle icon to enter search mode and hold your finger steady on the defined circle zone. This primes the sensor and camera. You do this because Circle uses a combined positional and visual cue to focus results faster, so a steady initial touch reduces false positives. Once the indicator turns green, release and immediately proceed to the next step to capture the query precisely. Now capture the search. Tap once inside the circle to register the target area, then watch the live preview. If results are noisy, double tap to trigger refine mode and drag the radius slider to tighten focus. Smaller radii prioritize detail, larger radii capture context. You type concise keywords in the overlay to guide the algorithm toward relevant results, and you can swipe suggestions to filter. This combination of spatial and textual cues speeds accurate matches and reduces ambiguity in the middle of the workflow. Finish by selecting the best match and opening details. Long press to save or export the item if needed. If you don't see good matches, make sure to increase the circle radius slightly and add 1 or 2 targeted keywords. You do this because broader context often supplies missing identifiers. If problems persist, restart the Circle app, verify permissions, and reboot the M35 as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling location and camera permissions usually resolves detection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.